Hi, I'm Jim,
I'm Karen.
and we do slow travel across the globe.
Yes, we do.
Yes, we absolutely do.
We went to a cute little town named, I'll let my husband butcher it.
Zenica.
It was a stop in between, it was our next stop after Banjaluka on our 21-day road trip. And we went there because it was convenient along the path of our way to Trebinje. And also, we had seen on YouTube some clips about the town, and some locals even saying that it was one of the most unattractive towns in Bosnia and Herzegovina. So we're up to a challenge.
And by golly, so we went.
And we saw the beauty in the town.
Yes.
It had a beautiful river walk, a promenade along it. It had
the
amusement
park. There was an amusement park
big amusement park
in town.
Yeah.
Which was pretty neat.
It was nice. We don't go on rides that are put together that don't have good insurance. And it had a little walking street that went through the older part of the town, had some restaurants, lots and lots of cafes. So we hope you enjoy the video.
One of the other things, it had some architecture from back when it was Yugoslavia.
Oh, yes.
And I'm going to put a picture of that up.
And it looked different from any angle that you were at the different parts of the town.
It was pretty
amazing.
Neat,
so we hope you enjoy the video. And at the end, we'll give you a review on our very nice hotel that was named Hotel
Dubrovnik.
Jimmy loves to say Dubrovnik.
I love to say Dubrovnik.
Okay, hope you enjoy the video. No. Get away from me, I'll press that out. We have one video of us a long time ago when our Facebook started.
We are in Hotel
Dubrovnik. And you have to say it that way, or Jimmy will correct you.
Zenica, Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Bathroom, nice, huge tub. Huge.
Monstrous tub.
Shower. Bidet.
Yeah,
Good day.
open the door.
Every time I see a bidet, I want to go, good day.
It's a good day, we have a bidet.
Nice big bathroom, good size sink. We're only here for 5 nights, so honestly, everything is really well. It has slippers.
They give you slippers.
And it has a safe and place to hang your coats. The obligatory shoe horn. And then nice big king bed.
King bed. With
Little
2
sitting
comforters.
room. 2 little sitting area.
A little sitting area.
No real view to talk about, just kind of over the top of the building.
We're not going to show you the view.
Little desk. It does have a refrigerator.
And a courtesy bar too, really.
Yeah.
So we got courtesy bar in there. The whole works. Again, this is Hotel Dubrovnik.
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 And it's got a ton of channels and a lot of American channels.
Yeah, a lot of English-speaking channels.
So real surprised by that. Everything was very nice. Breakfast was good this morning. If you walked away hungry, it's your fault.
It's your fault. We're going to do breakfast too, I guess. So, until later. Bye. Well, I hope you liked the video of the hotel.
Our final thoughts on the town, our city, was that it was comfortable. It's the word that I can use, that we had actually really good weather. We loved walking across the river. It had a cute little mall where we bought some clothes because we're changing from winter to spring. So we were giving some things away and purchasing our new 3 shirts.
So, yeah, new 3 shirts that we keep in our luggage. If I can say, the highlight of the trip, the people were really friendly. We made a new friend there.
That's Lynn.
Lynn, also known as Iman in the video because that's her real name.
Yeah.
And the hotel was extremely friendly.
Very comfortable. It was just it was in the best location to me that it could have been.
Yeah, it wasn't
It was right
noisy.
across from the river. It was, and the staff was excellent. The breakfast was good. You couldn't ask. It was super clean.
So all in all, we'd say that Zenica, although not a major tourist attraction,
No.
would be a great stopover for a road trip if you're going long distances between cities.
Yeah. We stayed there 5 nights. We probably stayed a night or two too long, but we just hate packing and unpacking.
Yeah, it's too much to pack and unpack, so we stay slow. And this was a quick trip for us anyway.
Yeah.
So in any case,
We
that's
enjoyed
it.
it. I think it's worth a look-see. I do. I really do. Even if you just could spend overnight. The food was good. I had the best bean soup and it just comfortable food, comfortable place. I would wrap it up as saying comfortable.
Yes, comfortable. It's all you can say is, yeah, it's not a tourist attraction, but by golly, it's comfortable. So that wraps it up for this destination on our epic road trip of Bosnia and Herzegovina. We'll see you next time from Trebinje. Bye.
Bye-bye.